All right, what is up, Deadbeats? Stan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate here with the one and only Anik Singal. So we're here in his brand new Learn Center. This is in Gaithersburg, Maryland.
Welcome.
Thank you, Anik. First, thank you for having us do some fist bumps here.
Yeah, it's isn't it beautiful? It's all done, man. This is it. It's in its final stage.
So yeah, I was expecting to be like furniture. We'd have like chairs and stuff, but this is cool. I like it. It's 26,000 square feet.
It is 26,000 square feet. It is about 70% done.
It's cool.
And it'll launch very soon.
Oh wait, let's get it. We're good.
I'm glad you guys are here. Welcome.
Woo! All right, so we're here in Anik's new facility. It's called the Learn Center. He's gonna give us some tips right now about how he earned $150 million in online sales. That's a lot more than 150,000.
150
All right,
million.
so we want to talk about, like, your specialty is high ticket webinars for affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
What are some basic tips, or what are some good tips you can give to help the deadbeats out there do affiliate marketing with webinars and high ticket sales?
Sure. All right, look, so when it comes to, as an affiliate, right, where does a majority of my income come from? Where does a majority of my $150 million in sales come from? It's from webinars, and it's from high ticket. And the key to doing a high ticket webinar and doing it successfully, there's really, first you gotta have a list, right? So you have to have a bigger list. So you gotta focus on getting an audience that's big enough so that you can put at least a few hundred people in a webinar. Now there are some simple, great strategies. I know you go over all of them, but I'll tell you right now, the best strategy to being able to pack a room full of people in a powerful webinar where you promote someone else's offers, have your own product. I don't care what it is, a low ticket, tiny product with an upsell, tiny upsell, something simple. It doesn't have to take a long time. You can do it in your bathrobe. It's nice and simple.
Heck yeah, that's what's up.
But it pays for your advertising, and it allows you to build a quality, amazing list fast in your control. That's number one. Number two, guys, there are simple templates and models out there to run a webinar. First of all, the best part about running an affiliate webinar, man, is you don't have to do anything. You just have to do the introduction, and at the end, take like 30 seconds to say, thanks for coming, guys. I really think you should buy this. Okay, bye. Right? So just make sure you have access to the people that have great offers. And for that, just subscribe to other people's lists and see what they're promoting. But the core thing here, keep it simple. All right, people are out there using all these crazy, complicated webinar platforms. Use GoToWebinar. It works, it's nice and simple. There's great other ones too. Keep it simple though. Have an email list, blast that email list, take them to a simple opt-in page, a simple registration page. Keep it real, just like he does. And, all right, that's it. Now get on the webinar, you just gotta make sure you have at least 200 to 300 people on that webinar, and you're gonna have a 5-figure payout that day. That's pretty much a guarantee.
Heck yeah. So that was tip number one. Tip number two, I like that. Those are good tips, by the way. So it's about 250 people is what you need to get it on to do it up pretty good.
I think about a 200-person webinar. Now it depends, right? I can do a 100-person webinar. I can do a 100-person webinar if they're all customers, and I can do the same damage that I could do with the 300-person webinar. So I kind of come up with this average number of 250, right? That's the number where you kind of open up that 5-figure number.
Cool. That's like epic right there. I like that. Tip number two. The second best tip that you have, what do you got about that?
I alluded to it in my first tip, all right, but I want to expand on it. That is having your own product. Now I know that that's a sin in the world of affiliate marketing. God, how can you recommend having? Look, digital product, nothing crazy. I don't want you to go create all these crazy e-com stores that everyone's talking about. I just want you to literally, here's a tip, all right? I've actually created a product. This is how I wrote a book that went on to sell thousands of copies. You ready? I used a device very similar to this, connected to my phone. All right, I walked around my house and I recorded audio. That's it. And I paced around. It was about 2 hours of audio. I took it to a service called rev.com. $120 to get the whole thing transcribed. I then paid $300 to an editor to clean it up. Bam. Turned into a $500 product. I'm not even kidding. Now, that is awesome, right? People want access to knowledge. They don't care about how it's delivered. You don't have to complicate things. I always say systems are not complicated. It's us that make the systems complicated. That's all you need. You need a front-end product and maybe one upsell. So just do that process twice. Create a simple page. Now what you're doing is you can go buy as much traffic as you want. It doesn't matter what traffic costs on YouTube, Facebook, and all these other places. You have your own product. You'll pay for it. You'll be in profit early. You'll be building a killer free list and a customer list. You can go crush it on any affiliate offer. It doesn't matter high ticket, low ticket. That's the easiest way to get to a 7-figure affiliate.
Heck yeah, I like that's badass. That's real badass. All right, tip number three. So We were just talking about paid traffic and having the products the higher ticket products up front, especially like $500 price point, somewhere around there is good. What are some tips for you that you have about getting the paid traffic to the webinar opt-in page and getting that to convert properly?
Okay, so this is something that we've started doing a lot of. Now you gotta, I'm gonna spare you with all the technical analysis of where this has happened. So here's the deal. We spent over $5 million, or I should say invested over $5 million last year in traffic, okay, between Facebook, YouTube, Google, all these places. That's a lot of money. That gives us access to a lot of data. And I'll tell you one thing, this is the general rule of traffic buying on the internet, and just accept it. It's going up. The cost is going up because there is more competition than there is supply. So what we're finding is that all of these networks are giving special attention to and are loving people who are not just going out and buying traffic. So it's not about, let me do a video ad and then just boost the crap out of it and get as many visitors as I can. It's about building a ad funnel. Okay? And by that what I mean is maybe you do a content video up front, right, that people watch and engage with, and then you pixel those people. And then you retarget them with ads. And then you get them to come to a page, and now you pixel them again and you target them with more ads. So you're building what I call an ad funnel. That's going to drop your ad cost down by half. It's going to triple or quadruple your conversions. Your ROI will go through the roof. You will spend less money, have more conversions, and Google, Facebook, and all of them will love you more for it.
Heck yeah, that's freaking like epic sauce right there. I've been learning about that over the last like month, and that's totally like where you need to go.
Yeah.
That's high level, but like you can get there one piece at a time. You don't have to like necessarily build it all at once because it's like a lot of work to do that. You know, one ad funnel at a time.
So here's an easy way to do it on YouTube, right? So you do a selfie video, you walk around, you do some content, pick a nice topic, pick a nice headline. You're a freaking brilliant at it. Go look at Dan's, you know, YouTube page. He writes amazing headlines. So you write your own version of that. Right? So you put it up, maybe you don't have any audience, who cares? It'll start to get some syndication in YouTube. You start to pull it out to some people you know, put it on your Facebook and all of that. Maybe you only get 200 views. But now on YouTube, you have a custom audience of 200 people. So then you record one more video. So 2 cell phone videos is all I'm asking you to do here. It's nice and simple. One more video that says, hey, I saw that you saw a video from me about this topic. Well, how would you love a free report? I got something great. I got amazing training for you that goes way beyond what you learned. Click the link below. I got a free report. I'll see you on the other side. Bam, that's it. Then you take them to an opt-in page. So that ad funnel is 2 videos, and your audience is small, so you'll be spending a few bucks a day maximum. But that'll be a few bucks. That's super, super impactful, high quality leads, and then you just scale that as you go.
That's sick. That is so cool. That's like that's a baller strategy right there. I call it the baller strategy.
The baller strategy. I like that.
So let's just end this off with having Anik say some good things about me.
First of all, while we were walking up here to do this video, there actually are people back there that stopped in to take a picture. So the first good thing I'm going to say about you is you're a damn good marketer.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I love this brand.
Thank
you.
Thank you, Val.
Guy walks around conference halls and seminars and big. You know, you're going to go to traffic and conversion probably.
I might.
Yeah. So that's awesome. I'm not. No.
Yeah, I'm not.
That's awesome though, right? So first thing is you know your marketing.
Thank you,
Second thing is I love how you keep it real.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know, you do what you do. You're great at what you do, and you keep doing more of what you do.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And the third great thing about you, man, is you're local. You're nearby.
Maryland.
I don't got any other marketer friends here.
Yeah, that's weird, huh? But Maryland's coming up.
No, but on all seriousness, you guys are in great hands. Dan is an amazing and very, very smart marketer. And I don't know if you know this, but the last couple of weeks I've been kind of stalking you on YouTube.
I know you have.
Watching your strategy and kind of learning from him. So, hey, I've been around for 16 years and you're still taking me to school every day. So
you're too kind, sir. Thank you, Anik. I appreciate that. Yeah. All right, guys. So Learn Center, when does that launch? It's like April
14th and 15th. Grand opening, so April 14th, 15th.
It's going to be cool. It's a massive place. Like what you see right now, like we just do like a little pan shot of it. This is really only, like what did you say, like 10% of it?
10% of
it. Yeah, 10% of it. So it's 26,000 square feet. I think it's a great idea. So, you know, maybe I'll pop in here, do some videos from here sometime in the future or something like that. So Everyone, give it up for Anik Singal. Just are we in? We in?
No, it's just
Okay,
the lighting.
Oh, the lighting.
Sorry.
We're back.
So yeah, it was thanks, dude.
Yeah, man, my
just doing
pleasure.
these. I just went to the
All
bathroom
right.
and there's no sink down there, so
Nice to
just
know.
want to make sure. All right, guys. So,
And we will have water by the time April 14th comes
yeah,
around.
it's
The
crucial.
sinks
You need
will
that.
turn
You need that.
They'll turn
All
up.
right, guys. Stan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, underneath this is a link. It's deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. 100% free way to get started. A to Z, how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch. If you want to get started, what we talked about here today, link below at deadbeatuniversity.com. My name's Stan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate.
It's Anik Singal from Learn. See you guys soon.
Peace. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe, circle subscribe button. Share this video with friends. Comment below. See you later.